Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your bone marrow healthy. We'll cover essential steps to support this vital organ. Understanding its role in producing blood cells is the first step. Then, we'll dive into practical ways you can nourish and protect it. This isn't about quick fixes, but rather a sustainable path to robust health. Let's get started on building a stronger foundation for your well-being. Nourishing your bone marrow starts with what you eat. Focus on a diet rich in iron, found in foods such as lean beef, lentils, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B12 and folate are also critical for healthy blood cell formation, so include leafy greens and dairy products. Don't forget antioxidants from colorful fruits and vegetables. They help protect your cells from damage. A balanced plate is key to a thriving internal system. Beyond diet, your lifestyle significantly impacts bone marrow health. Regular, moderate exercise, like a brisk walk or cycling for 30 minutes, improves circulation and overall vitality. It's also crucial to avoid toxins such as tobacco and excessive alcohol, which can harm blood cell production. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night allows your body to repair and regenerate effectively. These habits create a supportive environment for your marrow. To summarize, achieving healthy bone marrow involves a consistent commitment to both a nutrient-rich diet and positive lifestyle choices. Remember, these steps work synergistically to support your body's vital blood-producing factory. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, always consult a healthcare professional for tailored advice. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Investing in your health and wealth truly pays off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.